What's going on, y'all? SCS and me. On this video, man, I'm hoping I can clean my yard up soon. I'm gonna explain a lot to y'all. So, for those who don't know, I got two commercial shops, and the rent is crazy. I got the first one because I thought I had help, and then I got the second one because I thought I found a mechanic. Both fell through. I'm moving this ball. I like the fact that I could separate mechanical and upholstery. So, what I told my wife is we're gonna clean this other side. This side right here is supposed to be our front side. I told her we're gonna clean up this side and we're gonna put another building up. Woohoo! We're putting another building up. Now that I know the process, I know how long stuff should take, some of the structure integrity stuff you gotta do, all the type of stuff like that. Problem is, on this side, we buried a lot of the trees, so a lot of this gonna have to come up. I'm gonna have to do a retaining wall type thing because it's very unlevel, so I'm gonna have to bring this side up about 3 feet or so, and this side will have to come down. We thinking like 35. This is 46 wide. We thinking about 35, something like that. I got gutters coming for this building. We're gonna do some insulation. We're gonna do a mini split because this is what we're gonna work out of mainly. We're gonna split it in half. We'll have a dust side with CNC, laser, all that stuff, and you're gonna have the clean side where we assemble because you're trying to stay out the dust. Right now, and for all this time, we just do everything together. And it's kind of like, we ain't trying to be in the risking our health to do this type of stuff. So, like I said, we just moving stuff around and we're about to start cleaning up and getting ready to prep for another building. All right, so right here, this is where all the mud and drainage issues was coming from. So today, as long as it don't rain, I'm gonna go get the machine. I'm finna come scoop a lot of this up. A lot of this rock, it's gonna go in the driveway. Driveway kind of wrinkled up looking. So you're gonna smooth the driveway out. Gonna get some of the washout stuff that's by my front gate. Gonna get that. We're gonna smooth all this out. This way I get stuck. I'm gonna stop trying to drive over here. I'm gonna move with cars back and forth, however, and then I'm gonna take it all the way around the side of the house. And we're gonna try to put some grass right here. My concrete man said, smooth it out one more time, put some seeds on it, and if you get grass to grow on it, it won't wash out no more. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm coming, try to grade all of this. The dirt that I do get, it's gonna go in this back corner over here. All this gravel and stuff right here, gonna go in the driveway. All of this is getting concrete, all of this. So the plan is to have like a pool right here, like a 15 feet pool, 4 feet high, right in this area somewhere. Maybe over here, I don't know. Hold on, let me put the wide lens on. And then right here is where we came up about 20 feet. So I'm finna smooth all of this out. Whatever dirt I get from over there, we're gonna move over here. This is a pile of rock and stuff from, I don't remember. I think it was from me dropping it off when somebody was doing a tear out and re-concrete. And I think that's where it came from, but it's been so long, I don't know. This is where I used to have my washout, and when I was telling y'all I was mixing the rock and the, like the old rock and the dirt, mixing it together to stop this. And it stopped it, like I said. Got a little bit of erosion, but we don't have no concrete at all, so that'll stop a lot of it. Once the rain washed down into the drain part, like I got that concrete, so it drained down the middle, and all of this is gonna be where the natural water drains for the whole backyard. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, you kind of can see how I got a dip right there, and how this part is higher than the rest. So this is where the natural drain and slope gonna go. But yeah, so y'all, what else we gonna be doing? Okay, grading this. My toolbox out here, so I was working on my car. It's gotta go back in the shop. 60-inch grapple bucket. This is gonna go over by my trailer on the hill. Flat bucket gonna go up there too. 305 motor. Finna like damn near give this motor away for like 200 bucks. And then just cause it's been sitting here this whole time, more than likely ain't gonna use it. So somebody have fun with it. So we're gonna take the grapple, we're gonna move this, put it in the back of my truck. All right, other side of my container. It's the 5.3 that came out. My Suburban. Taking the heads off because I'm keeping them. And I'm giving that motor away. It's a battery. They got to go with my core pal. It's a bunch of fencing material that went to waste once I got the surgery on my hand. So all of this is going to get over there on that other side in that dip. Don't dump it over there. 8-foot pickets, $3 a piece, and look at them. Man, I'm talking about thousands of dollars in lumber. It's crazy. But good thing about the fencing, some of it's bad. You see the curve on that one, but a lot of that still can be used. So I'm getting all my 2x4s up, which I ain't even know these was over here. They was covered. But like I said, I be doing so much stuff and I be moving, so I don't be knowing what's going on. So we're gonna pick all of these up, the rest, probably about 6 of them. Put them up here. The pickets, I'm gonna just pile them back up over there. But I'm gonna come back here with the skids to get all this. And this side is gonna be clean. I got a bunch of box Chevy glass. There's 2-door glass, front, back glass for a 4-door, quarter glasses, and then that's an LS back window. I'm gonna put it up with the little parts that I do got left. This container is going up on the hill. It's a 6-foot fence. On the other side, we're gonna turn it to an 8-foot. Some of this fence gotta come down before we do the wall, but that'll be a part of another video, and I can't wait to do it. All right, that's all she wrote. Go wash up. Start a couple burn piles. Make sure they're good to go out where they go out. But yeah, if it rains for longer than about 20 minutes, it's over. I ain't gonna be able to do what I need to do. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Gotta go wash up. And go to work.
Several days later.
All right, man. What's going on, y'all? We finally back. Wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to get the machine from Home Depot, but I just got it. So I bring it back at about what time? I don't think it's 8:46. Hold on. Okay, so I gotta bring it back at 8:46. It just didn't seem like it was that early. Let's see. I'm about to clean up finally my damn backyard so I can get it how I want. Moving motors, those attachments. Just all that stuff, man. I just need it how I want it. Now, these folks did not clean the machine, and it's on a quarter tank of fuel. And they told me I gotta bring it back clean with a full tank. I said it's not even clean with a full tank now. What do you mean? But whatever. Definitely not bringing it back on a full tank. I ain't gonna lie with that one. All right, lights good. Chain's good, harness good, brake good, all good. All right, let's get it. Finally, I've been trying to do this for so long. I've been trying to get it done and do it for so long. Man, let's go. Video proof. Not filling it up, it's less than a quarter tank. So it'll have more, I'm pretty sure, but it won't be on full. That's crazy. I mean, I'm spending about 40 right now and then another 40 in fuel to hell nah. Like they trip. I do appreciate the equipment, but I ain't doing that. That's out of control. Let's get it. Alright, we ready to go. I'm gonna ride past the shop. See what's see what I see. I always ride past and look. And then we ride straight to the house. I would get a coffee, but I got energy today. I'm excited to do something other than work on cars. I'm trying to get my backyard done by July. I don't know how likely it's gonna be, but I'm trying to put my seatbelt on and do my little checkup. And I'm running to the house. Alright, so we ready to ease back off this thing. got that just for this type of stuff. Trying to get y'all that foot. Last time I was trying with a GoPro, but it wasn't really working. So let's see what we can get like this. I need my other hand now, so I'm finna time lapse.
Pointers in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new helmets for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plot. Beside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count presidents. Push a Portuguese on her knees. Mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave. Cause she keep the P. Private speak, privacy. Bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink. Bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Yeah. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Push a P. Yeah.
Y'all gonna notice the footage a little bad. That's on my other phone, but I thought those two attachments moved. The motor that was right there. The damn machine was still leaking, man. Got that motor moved. These my kids' toys. These wheels go in the garage. That can stay outside. It ain't gonna be nothing. That bumper go to my 72. So after that, I'm just gonna have garden tools right here. Garden tools and hitches. My lawnmower actually going in the garage. Once I move everything that's on my last shelf thing that's closer to the door. Once I move all that around and sort it, separate it, throw away what I'm gonna throw away, then that's gonna get moved around. All right, this side is rocky, but done. I can get kind of a guesstimate on how wide I'm going, because I was thinking about 30, and then it's gonna be level with here, so all of this it's gonna get grassed. But like I said, it was a big pile of rock right there, so I ain't no rough nose. Damn, that's like that. Just from my auto, look about 30 feet. Look roughly like 30 feet. We got 34 feet. So 34. This time still gotta get built up. It's all them other concrete bags. Little support for this back wall. Gotta smooth all this out, cut this tree down. That way we see and frame everything up correctly. Yeah, I can't believe, look, this how low this side was. Like 2 of me. All the way down there. It's crazy. Crazy. This where the shop was. I was gonna try to put it initially, but once we did the survey, it's shared. The middle is shared, but I still didn't want to put my shop on no shared part, so I just stuck it on my side. And then now we got to stick another one on the other side. That is crazy. Yeah, so 34. We'll just say 35. 35, and then going up. I'm gonna call my concrete man and see how much he wants to just, cause he can't get to me for the pour right now. I'm gonna see how much just come grade. Shoot, I'll frame it myself or try to, cause hey, it got to get done. I'm trying to be having fun for the 4th, hanging out our basketball court and pool. But man, it's got to get done. But yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, y'all see this other side. I moved that other motor, my 5.3 that came out my Suburban. Forget the Suburban. damn transmission out. Got over here a little bit. I got this whole side cleaned up. This last bit of parts, that battery, I'm gonna send it in for a core. Matter of fact, I should put that in my truck, but I ain't finna carry that far. Need to rake all this and burn it. I'm trying to clean up and I'm becoming a minimalist, man. I don't want nothing extra because it costs. It costs space and it costs money to keep extra. I don't want nothing extra. So 35, we got an accurate number, really less, but 35. What I'm gonna tell them we going with. And yeah. I think 50 yards would be enough because this was one truck. No, that was one and like I think 12 yards for this second pad. I'm just picturing this 47, it's 35. Should be able to get this done in 40 to 45 yards just looking at this, because I know how many trucks that was. Looking at that.